How to unsend messages on Messenger. So, the first step is by opening your Messenger app and then go to that person that you have sent a message with. And then look for the message that you want to unsend. So, for example, this one. I'll just press and hold onto that message, click on More found on the lower right corner of the screen, click on Unsend, and make sure you click Unsend for everyone. So again, be careful to click on unsend for everyone and not the unsend for you. So if you click on unsend for everyone, then you may click on OK right here. And then as you can see, you unsent a message right here. But if you mistakenly click on unsend for you, then that message will still appear to the other user, but it will not appear on your end. So that's it. That's how you can unsend messages on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.